Alam niyo ba, hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang init dito sa UK. I came from the Philippines, so alam niyo naman na sobrang init sa Pilipinas. So, this is my second summer. Actually, yeah, second summer ko dito sa UK. Yung first summer ko kasi, where I was working in a corporate company, may AC doon. So, 3 times a week nandun ako. So, hindi ako masyadong nag-struggle as compared now. Kasi, ang company ko doesn't have an AC. Company that I'm working with now, it's a family-owned business, so they own the building. It's in retail. It's a retail company, so walang AC. Tapos yung pinaka room namin, siya yung salon niya lahat ng init ng araw, from morning until the afternoon. Parang nagsa-sideway lang ng ganun yung araw. Sakop pa rin. So talaga it's fuming hot. Like it feels like we are in hell. Pero kung titingnan mo yung temperature, it's only 28 degrees. Mas mainit pa doon sa room namin kaysa doon sa labas ng room. I don't know why. So yesterday, I don't know if I had experienced a heat stroke because my head is aching from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. Kaya nag-request na ako if I can go home early kasi hindi ko na kaya. And then last night, we went to the A&E para magpa-check kasi yung headache ko until 9 o'clock p.m., andun pa rin. Nag-subside siya ng konti, pero andun pa rin. So, yung parang siyang from here and then here, sobrang sakit. Then, by the way, the owner already bought portable AC sa room, pero hindi siya ganun kalamig. So, now, I'm absent kasi I'm still trying to recover. Sobra talagang init niya. Tapos hindi ka nagsusweat. Yun yung problema eh. Yung sobrang alam mo na naiinitan ka. Tapos ang dry nung feeling mo na parang lahat ng init ng katawan mo nasa loob. As compared sa Pilipinas, yung init niya, pag naligo ka, paglabas mo, pawisan ka na, di ba? So at least nag-cool down yung body mo. Dito parang feeling ko, kinontain lahat ng body ko, yung init. Parang sinalo niya lang lahat, ayaw niya ilabas. Sobrang walang pawis. If I know for a fact na sobra akong magpawis, as in pawisin na girl ako, at yun yung problema ko when I was in the Philippines kasi I sweat a lot. Pero dito, magsisweat ako siguro yung mga light lang, yung parang sweat, yung mga ganon sa armpit, sa paa, sa kamay. Pero yung sweat na yung dripping sweat, hindi, kahit sobrang init na talaga ako. So hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko. I've already put like a cooling patch on my head. Yung company namin, they don't have freezer, so they only have a fridge. So we don't have ice. Ganun, sobra. Hindi ko alam kung paano magko-cope. So we're planning, I'm asking my husband if we could buy a portable AC. Pero ang problema kasi noon, since yung window namin is like push out. Hindi siya yung sliding window. So, yung mga portable AC kasi dito, yung window kit nila is designed for sliding window kasi isang straight lang siya, ilalagay mo siya doon tapos slide mo tapos may butas where the tube can